In a tragic turn of events, Malawi's Vice President Dr. Saulos Chilima, along with 9 others, has been confirmed dead following a plane crash involving a Malawi Defense Forces helicopter. The incident occurred as the aircraft, a Dornier 228, failed to land at Mzuzu Airport in northern Malawi at 10 a.m. yesterday. The Dornier 228, a twin turboprop short takeoff and landing utility aircraft, departed from the nation's capital, Lilongwe, but went off the radar shortly after takeoff. Despite immediate efforts by aviation authorities to trace the aircraft, all attempts to establish contact were unsuccessful. The crash resulted in the loss of all lives on board, including the vice president, who was planning to run for the presidency in the upcoming general elections next year. The ill-fated flight departed from Lilongwe and was headed to Mzuzu International Airport, approximately 370 kilometers north of the capital. Shortly after departure, the aircraft went off the radar, prompting immediate concerns and a search operation. The MDF aircraft, acquired from Germany several decades ago, was primarily used for transport missions despite being overdue for retirement. The Office of the President and Cabinet issued a formal statement detailing the accident. The aircraft, which was carrying the Vice President, the Right Honorable Dr. Saulos Chilima, was found this morning in the Chikangawa forest. Unfortunately, all on board have perished in the crash. The President has declared a national day of mourning and has ordered that all flags fly at half-mast from today until the day of the funeral. President Lazarus Chakwera has expressed profound grief and sorrow over the tragic loss. In a statement, he extended his condolences to the families of all those who perished in the crash and declared a period of national mourning. This is a dark day for Malawi. We have lost a dedicated public servant, a leader, and a patriot. Vice President Chilima's contributions to our nation will never be forgotten, President Chakwera said. Among the passengers was Dizimbiri, the ex-wife of former President Bakili Muluzi. The group was traveling to attend the funeral of a former government minister. 3 of those aboard were the military crew flying the plane. Chilima had been vice president since 2020. He was a candidate in the 2019 Malawian presidential election, finishing third. His career included leadership roles at Airtel Malawi and positions at Unilever, Coca-Cola and Carlsberg, according to his profile on government's website. This incident follows closely on the heels of another aviation tragedy last month, where Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and the country's foreign minister died in a helicopter crash. These consecutive events have raised global concerns about aviation safety, particularly involving aging aircraft still in operation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.